let's just try and figure out how I'm going to start this video, to be honest, because it's a tricky one. It's like, where have I been? What have I been doing? Am I still trading? What is going on? What's the update? What's the situation? All that stuff. Because I've basically just been like, nah, I can't be bothered. And the reason for like not being bothered with YouTube, I just found like I wanted to trade to document my journey in trading, because it's not an easy thing. It's very difficult. So I say to other people, it's like trying to be a professional athlete, because the failure rate is so high. Like, what's the odds of, all right, every kid wants to grow up and be a professional football player. All right, but what's the odds of that kid doing well enough, one, being found, then being scouted, you know, to potentially be seen by the right people and then get hired or get a chance to play for the right teams, and then hopefully don't get an injury over that period to actually be a success, right? The numbers are very low. So for me, trading is the same, right? The failure rate's very, very high, but there's a chance for everyone to do it. So that's why I love it, right? And hence why that's why I'm doing it, and that's why you guys are doing it, hence why you're probably watching this video right now. But it's been a couple months, I think, since my last upload. And things have changed. Right, so number one, I've got a job again. I'm working again. You probably go, what? What's going on? It's basically the stress. Stress is a real thing, guys, and you have it as well, okay? So for me, having that consistent income and not freaking out is like, one, it makes trading a lot easier. I can take more risks. I can take my time. I don't have to rush setups to earn certain income. I don't have to force situations just to try and make something happen. I can just leave it, you know what, go on a holiday, just relax, not have to worry about, can I afford the holiday? Because I know at the end of the month I'm getting paid again. And it's not a job where I can't trade ever, because I can have Monday and Thursday off if I want to. So it's really good. And it covers everything with style. So I'm loving that. Got a job again, hence why I haven't been posting at all. I just wanted to focus on that, do my thing, trade in the background, and enjoy life, to be honest. Swing trading is definitely helping out. Obviously, you guys know I love swing trading. I have also dabbled in lower time frame stuff, obviously, like we all have. But if I'm honest to myself, my current situation, obviously I got a job now. I'm no longer single. I've got in a relationship. I've got a girlfriend, so I have to devote time to her as well. So trading can't take over my life on my days off. Other people have my priorities. Obviously, same with you guys. If you have a family, you have a job, you have a busy lifestyle, lower time frame trading probably isn't the one for you. Because as soon as you take time off and you want to do something and then you miss opportunities, you feel like, oh no, I could have done that. But swing trading doesn't really matter, literally at the end of the day. So going back to the start of this as an update, all I really want to do is show my perspective as a trader, my journey as a trader, as a 31-year-old in a relationship with a full-time job, sometimes more hours than full-time job, but still have flexible hours, if that makes any sense. I work like 48 to 60 hours a week on average, but I only work 6 months of the year. So that's pretty cool. I just want to show that normally, because I feel like every channel on YouTube right now is a load of BS. It's just people talking about trading rather than actually trading, or people are fake, basically. There's a lot of fake BS out there, and I'd say all of them are crap. Maybe one or two that I would like to say are real, but I have no evidence that they are. And the ones that are really real don't do YouTube anyway. So it's kind of like me just going through a minefield, but I'm trying to relate to people in my position who are, 30 plus, not like 17, have families, have a job, don't have much time, but want to trade on the side to hopefully grow an income to a level where maybe not even replace their job, just add to it. Like, I feel like, again, that narrative is pushed as I want to be a full-time trader. I want to be a full-time trader. I'm like, been there, done that for a few years. It's not glamorous. It's not sexy. I guess, you can say any business owner isn't sexy and glamorous because of the stress you have, which is a definite real thing. But for me, it's just nice to accomplish something. I think for happiness for me and where I want to go with trading and what I want to kind of represent in the trading space is just slow progression at a skill that's extremely hard to do, that I can see myself slowly getting better at it over time. Now, the skill level of trading isn't much. It's a click of a mouse. It's just with your head and understanding a strategy, but executing that strategy with a discipline. Now, with the lower time frames, you can practice this really quickly because you get setups all the time. Well, not all the time, but more often than swing trading. So for me, it's more of a patience game. I've learned with myself over these years I don't have much patience, but I do have it with swing trading. So I want the results now, but I know it's going to take me a few setups to see those results. So it's interesting with that. I know I said I wouldn't do a challenge again, but I've dabbled in a challenge again. I've passed phase 1 and I'm on phase 2 now. We're doing that with the 5%ers. Hopefully they don't go bust, but again, with them, 5%ers and FTMO, probably the only product firms that I'll trust anyway. And we'll see in the long run if that is the right decision or not. But it's kind of nice to see that progression. Obviously with a personal account as well, growing that slowly. So that's kind of what I want to do with this update, is show you where I am now, where my headspace is now, where I kind of want to go. Are the uploads going to be frequent? I don't know. What you're going to see, you're probably going to see the trades that I take and the results of those trades. Other than that, not much. Like, there's nothing flashy. The only nice thing I have is this BMW M140, which is great, but I'm not a car content creator. So, like those other channels that are like just balling out with Lambos and Ferraris and doing crazy stuff, you're not going to see that here. It's just going to be trading and the mental struggle to get better at very, very, very hard skill to not even master. I don't think you could ever master trading. It's just getting better with yourself in very stressful situations to do with numbers, essentially. So that's kind of where I am. I kind of just want to take trading slowly, not make it out to be this big, amazing thing. It's just me being me, trying to be better at a skill set.